Hi, welcome to Cal Poly's Cal State Applied Tutorial Series. My name is Bonnie and I'm an admissions officer. In this video, we will be covering who to contact for assistance with any questions that you may have while completing the application. To begin, for instructions on filling out each of the quadrants, select the question icon at the top right of any page. You can obtain assistance with the application, including tech support, by clicking on the email link or the Help Center link. You will also find a phone number for customer service and tech support within the Help Center link. The Help Center provides detailed information about completing each section of the application. Cal Poly San Luis Obispo admissions officers are also available to answer your questions regarding the admissions application. You may contact us by emailing us at admissions@calpoly.edu or by phone at area code 805-756-2311 Monday through Friday from noon until 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We will also be holding virtual application Q&A sessions via Zoom. Visit calpoly.edu/admissions to sign up for a virtual application and Q&A session. Thank you for watching and feel free to contact our office with any further questions. We wish you the best of luck.